Alright, here's a quick video on how to create duplicated paper spaces and making sure you have the right stuff on inside those viewports. Okay, so as you see, here's my model space, and here's my furniture layout. So basically, creating a new one, you would right click on this tab, move or copy, and from here you would do create copy, move to end, hit OK. Okay, I'm going to go to my furniture layout now, the second one. I'm going to rename it dimension plan or whatever. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is delete this viewport and make a new one. Alright, to do that, I'm going to go up to layout. Okay, and notice that I'm on the viewport tab. Okay, go to layout, and I'm going to do insert view. That brings me back to my model space here, where I'm going to make a window around what I want. Hit enter. Drop that on my drawing. Okay. Notice inside here it has the grid, so if I double click inside there, I can turn that off. I'm going to unlock this viewport, okay, so that when I double click outside, click once on the frame, I can drag that down to the bottom to expand it to be the size of my area here. Okay, and then double click on the inside, do zoom extents. Alright, now to turn off layers and things such, so suppose I don't want my furniture on, go back to my home tab, hit my drop down in my layers, find the layers I do not want to have on. I'm going to look at this here. This is a freeze or thaw in current viewport, so I'm going to click on that. Alright, the rest of this stuff I'm pretty good with here, so I like it. Alright, double click on the outside. When I go to my furniture layout, alright, same thing here. Like if I want to turn on the inside here dimensions or whatever, I could do that, but right now I have those off in that viewport. Okay, so that's how you're going to do that. Okay, so the next step to this would be to go up to go up here, go export PDF. Alright, make sure you're going to the folder you want it to go to, which is your student drive. Alright, and we're going to export that the current layout. As far as options go, you already set these kind of things up, I'm pretty sure. You don't have to worry about that. These are all going to end up black and white, just so you know. Okay, so that's pretty much how it goes, and you can export you know, those plans there, the current layout. You could do all layouts, okay, if you want them all to go. Just make sure you update the title blocks before you do that. Okay.